What if one night you looked up and the moon was simply gone? Not a cloud in the sky, not a shadow in space, just gone, erased from existence. No announcement, no explosion, no trace. What would happen next might not just surprise you, it could terrify you. From global tsunamis to frozen continents, from ancient myths to future chaos, the moon is far more than just a silent rock. It's Earth's anchor, its guardian, its clock. And without it, everything changes, dramatically. To the casual eye, the moon seems passive, just a glowing marble in the sky. But behind the scenes, it's something more, a cosmic gyroscope, a stabilizer of worlds. Earth's axis, tilted at 23.5 degrees, doesn't sit still, it wobbles, like a spinning top near the end of its turn. Left alone, that tilt could swing wildly, between 10 and 85 degrees. Unpredictable, unlivable, but the moon's pull keeps it in check. That gentle wobble, that's lunar gravity at work. Remove the moon, and Earth loses balance. Climate chaos begins. Ice ages arrive faster. The Sahara could turn lush, while temperate zones freeze. The Arctic, it might melt entirely, or refreeze into a silent, frozen continent. Civilizations would collapse not from war or disease, but from seasons that don't make sense anymore. And then there are the tides. We take them for granted. Surfers ride them, fishermen follow them, but they're far more than waves. The moon stirs the oceans, mixing nutrients, regulating temperature. It guides coral reefs, turtle hatchlings, even the rhythms of plankton, the base of the food chain. Without the moon, tides wouldn't vanish, but they'd shrink, driven only by the sun. Weaker, less than 30% of what they are now. The result? Ocean stagnation, marine collapse, weather thrown into disarray. The sea doesn't just provide food, it regulates life. No tides, no oxygen-rich waters, no whales singing through the deep. No life as we know it. Ever feel like there's not enough time in the day? Be careful what you wish for. The moon acts like a brake, subtly slowing Earth's spin. Without it, days would shorten, from 24 hours to just over 6. That means 4 sunrises and 4 sunsets every day. Imagine trying to sleep in that madness. Plants, confused. Animals, lost. Humans, jet-lagged forever. Our biological clocks are tied to the 24-hour rhythm. Destroy that, and you destroy hormonal balance, mental health, agriculture, an entire economy. Civilization never evolved for a 6-hour world, and we wouldn't survive one. And then there's the light, moonlight. It reflects just 12% of what it gets from the sun, but that's enough to bathe the night in silver. Take that away, and we get pure primal darkness. No guiding glow, no soft light over oceans, just shadows. Predators would thrive, prey would disappear. Some plants, especially in tropical regions, rely on moonlight to bloom. Without it, their cycles collapse. But the real loss? United States. We evolved under moonlight. Our ancestors hunted, danced, and prayed by it. Ancient calendars were synced to its phases. In Babylon, priests recorded its movement. In Egypt, it guided harvests. In Greece, it was divine. Selene, Artemis, Hecate. The moon wasn't just an object, it was a mirror of the soul. Without it, the world loses more than light. It loses romance, ritual, wonder. We'd be blind in the night. No poetry, no mythology, just emptiness, and maybe something waiting in it. Across cultures, the moon is sacred. In Vedic lore, Chandra, the mind. In Islam, it marks the sacred month. In Chinese legend, it holds the jade rabbit in the goddess Chang'e. It is everywhere in our collective memory, a companion, a witness. Take it away, and humanity loses its connection to the skies. Now think psychologically. Studies show moonlight influences sleep cycles. Even the illusion of a full moon can affect melatonin levels. Without it, insomnia, increased anxiety, disrupted circadian rhythms globally. In a world already battling mental health issues, the moon's absence wouldn't just be an astronomical event, it would be a mass psychological trauma. Millions, disoriented, disconnected, unmoored. And yet, we've always imagined the moon being more than what it is. In 1835, the New York Sun published a hoax. The moon was filled with life, temples, trees, bat-like humanoids. People believed it. Why? Because we needed to. Because deep down, the moon wasn't just a rock. It was a canvas, a mystery, a dream. And today, with Artemis missions preparing to return humanity to the lunar surface, with billionaires planning space hotels, with mining operations on the table, we must ask ourselves, are we treating the moon as sacred or disposable? Because if it disappears, whether by cosmic chance or careless hands, it won't just take away the night, it will take away our balance, our story, our very sense of self. The moon is the reason we're here. And maybe, just maybe, it's the reason we haven't destroyed ourselves yet. If this episode sparks something in you, a sense of wonder, a question, a chill down your spine, you belong here in the NetraVerse. Subscribe so you don't just watch the universe unfold, you understand it, one mystery at a time. Comment below, what's one thing you'll never look at the same way again?